second graders. This is our social studies math skills lesson. So for today, I would like you to find your math skills book that should be in the folder in your binder. If you need to pause the video to go get your math skills book, please do that. When you get your math skills book, please open it up to page number 18. I think Mrs. Murphy, when she was typing out her lesson plans, I think I typed the wrong number for today. So make sure that you find this page that looks like this. It's called North, South, East, West. I have the right title in the lesson plans. I just typed the wrong page number. So you should be on page number 18. I'm going to make this really big so you can see it. And I'm going to teach you a little bit about North, South, East, and West. And if you would please follow along with your pointer finger or your pencil and track, I would appreciate it. It says, how do you know where you are going and how to get there? Directions can help. North, South, East, and West are directions on Earth. Look at the globe and find the North Pole. So up here on the globe is where we call the North Pole. And a lot of times we say this is where Santa lives. So this is the top of the globe. This is the north. Wherever you are on Earth, north is the direction toward the North Pole. So wherever you're at on Earth, if you want to go to the north, you have to face where the North Pole is. Find the South Pole. So if this is the north, the south is opposite, and that's down here. This is where the continent Antarctica is. South is the direction toward the South Pole. When you face north, east is to your right. So if I'm facing the north and I want to go to the east, that is always to my right. So that is only if you're facing the north. And then west is to the left. Down here it says west is to your left. So if you're facing north, which Mrs. Murphy's going to face north right now, which is the North Pole. If I want to go to the east, I'm going to go to the right. If I want to go to the west, I'm going to go to the left. Okay? Now, we have some sayings to help us remember this, and we'll talk a little bit more about this. But one saying is north starts with an N, so we'll say never. And then east starts with an E, and so we say eat. And then south is down here, so it starts with an S, and so Mrs. Murphy says sour. And then W is over here for west, and I say worms. So if you go around like a clock, north, east, south, west. One way to remember it is to say the same. Never eat sour worms. And that helps me remember north, east, south, west. Okay, we're going to watch a little cute video or song that teaches us the directions. These are called cardinal directions. And we'll be practicing them throughout the next few days in our math skills book.
North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best? North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best? It's going north, north's going south, south's going north, and south and east, east going north, north's going south, south's going north, and south and west, west, north, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best? North, south, east or west, which direction do you like the best? Four cardinal directions that I know. North, south, east, and west we go. Or mix them all up, then go fast, not slow, to the sunshine or the snow. I like south. She likes north.
They're loving west and east.
She likes east. He likes south.
Their favorites north and west.
North, south, east or west? Which direction do you like the best? North, south, east or west? Which direction do you like the best? It's going north, north. It's going south, south. It's going north and south and east, east. It's going north, north. It's going south, south. It's going north and south and west, west. North, south, east or west? Which direction do you like the best? North, south, east or west? Which direction do you like the best? Look at a map and try this. Point north, point south, point west, point east. First letters of west and east spell the word wheat. Now try again. Point west, point south, point east, point north, point west. That was bad. Point south. Point south again. Point west, then north, then east. Great job. North, south, east or west? Which direction do you like the best? North, south, east or west? Which direction do you like the best?
Okay, hope you enjoyed that song on our directions, north, south, east, and west, which are called cardinal directions. Now, get out your pencil, and I'm gonna have to make this big so I can do both at the same time, or I should say smaller. We are gonna do the your turn now. Find a globe to use for these activities. Now, you're not in the classroom, so unfortunately we can't use our globe here. So I want you to use the globe on your paper. The first thing I want you to do, number 1, says touch the North Pole on the globe. So everybody with your finger, touch the North Pole. Now, touch the South Pole. So touch the South Pole. When you've done that, would you please X off number 1 with your pencil? And Mrs. Murphy is coming. All right, number 2 says put your finger on the United States on the globe. All right, find North America. Up here is where the United States is. We are in the continent of North America. Now, close your eyes and move your finger to the right, which is east. So close your eyes, move your finger to the east, and it says, what ocean is on the east of the United States? So when I close my eyes and move my finger, which ocean did I go to? So if you look, it is the Atlantic Ocean. And would you please go ahead and circle the Atlantic Ocean? I know it doesn't tell you to do that, but Mrs. Murphy would like to see that you did that. Circle the Atlantic Ocean. All right, cross off number 2 when you did that. Number 3, it says, do the same thing on your finger to the left, west. So put your finger on North America, where the United States is. Close your eyes. Move your finger to the west or to the left. And which ocean did you cross? So to the west, we would cross the Pacific Ocean. So right now, with your pencil, circle the Pacific Ocean. All right, cross off number 3. So, to the east coast of the United States is the Atlantic Ocean. To the west coast of the United States is the Pacific Oceans. So we have 2 oceans that are on each side, here's Ms. Murphy, on each side of the United States. And then remember, we are in North America, and we have a country above us, which is Canada, and we have a country below us, which is Mexico. And so we think of ourselves like an Oreo. Mexico and Canada are like the cookie part, and we're the good stuffing part, like the frosting stuffing part of North America. Now, in the box, it says, up is the direction away from the center of the earth, and down is the direction toward the center of the earth. So when you're on earth, which we're all on earth, we never say we want to go up. Like, let's say I want to go to the cities. Mrs. Murphy's not going to say I'm going to go up to the cities, because up means I'm going to go up to the sky. Up means the direction up, like up above you. So if I want to go to the cities, I'm going to say I'm going north to the cities. Or if I want to say I'm going to go up to Canada, which is the country above us, I'm not going to say I'm going up to Canada. I'm going north to Canada. Now let's say Miss Murphy wants to go to Texas or even Mexico. Those are down below us. Am I I going to say I want to go down to Mexico? No. If I say down, that means I want to dig in the ground and go down into our ground. And I don't want to do that. So I would say I want to go south to Mexico. Or I want to go south to Texas. And that's why you probably have heard sometimes grandmas and grandpas or older people, they don't like the winter up here in Minnesota. So they will go south and they'll go where it's warmer. And so we don't want to say we want to go down. Because remember, that means we're going to dig into the ground and into the earth. We want to go south. Okay, that ends our lesson today on north, south, east, and west. We'll continue those cardinal directions, like I said, throughout the next couple days in math skills. Please put this book in a safe spot. We will use it again tomorrow. And on Friday, when I ask for you guys to hand in your papers, do not hand this book in because you'll need it for next week. Okay? Hope you enjoyed our lesson today on our 4 cardinal directions.